And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be unboxing and installing a screen on my Pixel 2. As you can see, it's on by the IR blaster, or the little proximity sensor. I did order the screen. It was like $40 some. I just figured I need to get a screen on it, so I won't have to use the S8 Active to record anymore. So in slow motion, I'll have a little bit better of a phone to do that with the Pixel 2. Like I said, I already have the Pixel 2 XL as well. So we'll have the Pixel 2 XL and the Pixel 2 now. So here is the display. Of course, they stapled it. The last thing you want to do is be prying a whole bunch of staples out by a fragile glass screen, right? There we go. Slide it. Boom. There's the display. It kind of looks cracked right here. Could just be like a mark or something on the back. So other than that, everything looks pretty much the same. Just going to grab my Pixel 2, take the case off of it. They're in really good shape, so that's why I decided to fix it. It is stuck on. I can't get it to turn off. Obviously, there's no screen, so there's the old display. Like I said, it was already halfway apart anyways. Let's go ahead and grab a Torx screwdriver to remove that plate. That secures the screen ribbon in. We're going to plug in the new display, turn the phone off, and then unplug the screen so I can put some new adhesive down. So this phone may not even work anymore. I'm not too sure. It's been apart for so long. I know it's still working, but I don't know if like anything was damaged with this board after the screen was kind of broken off of it. I'm going to bring this over here real quick, guys, so I can see. And I'll bring it back over there. Alrighty. So I'm not too sure how to turn it off. Let's see, I got it to do something. I'm going to pause it and do some diagnosing real quick and see what I can figure out. Okay guys, I had to look up how to do a soft reset, and that seems to fix the phone. I guess actually I only had one tab, yeah. So everything seems to be responding perfectly fine now. Flashlight still works, so let's go ahead and turn it off. Pull the screen back off, and then go and put some new adhesive down. And then finish this install up. I do have a glass screen protector in because that's usually what I use on everything but my Note 10 because of its fingerprint scanner. As you see, this phone was worked on before. We do got to install the speaker grills as well into the new screen, so that's another thing we'll have to do. So basically just clean all this glue up. Adhesive. Grab a straight screwdriver, probably work a lot better. Just takes time, guys. It really does. Anybody knows that's done phone repairs just knows you gotta take all this time and get all this glue off so you don't have a problem with your screen popping up later on. Make sure you use some good adhesive as well, because otherwise it's just gonna fall off. I do got some drop test videos I'm working on editing, and then those will be out pretty soon. They're pretty fun. There are a couple iPhones I drop tested. An LG smartphone that had no sign of life at all. All the iPhones were iCloud locked, of course, but there was good screens and stuff I could have parted out, but I know a couple of them had generic screens, I think. So it wasn't too much of a loss. And at least I gotta make some videos out of it, so. A lot of adhesive on this stuff, dude. This was, the screen was already replaced on this once. And then I put some new adhesive down to just keep the old junk screen on there to hold it. Just keep the dirt out of it, basically. So that's the only reason it really has all this adhesive on there is because basically of me. But it was cheaper adhesive. It wasn't nothing like the OEM Google stuff. I wish you could buy actual like OEM adhesive. At least at a cheaper price than what you could probably get it for. Some of it's pretty expensive. I do have a couple other videos I need to do. I'm going to do a whole bunch of unboxings. As you see, I still got a bunch of phone unboxings I need to do. And I'll be posting a couple of my automotive videos up on here pretty soon. So those will be on my channel to watch if you guys are interested. I just decided to merge the channels together because I never was able to really sign into the other one to manage both of them because I had so much time on the Tony's phone collection that it was hard to manage both of them at the same time. So I figured, we'll just do them all together. And that way, I can make sure I can read everybody's comment, you know, when it's posted for the most part. And respond quicker. So I'm going to get some adhesive. I'm going to clean up the surface of where the glue was supposed to go. Let's clean everything up. Make sure everything's looking good. You don't want no glass or anything popping up anywhere. Just gonna take a look at the screen real quick. This is our old one. Like I said, I have like basically destroyed it just messing around with it. We're gonna need these earpieces out of here. Unless it's a mess, maybe we'll have to work on it. We need this camera alignment thingy. And we're going to need these. They are metal, so that's great. You might have to put some adhesive on there to hold them down a little bit. I'm going to dab a very light amount of super glue on there, I think. If I can find it, maybe. If I have any, otherwise I'll just have to put some adhesive on there. And then we got our camera alignment tool thing. Let's set that up on there. Might actually just put this on the phone. And then we'll just put adhesive on it. I think that'll probably be better when you clean that off too. Let me go and get the adhesive laid down and get everything started, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I went ahead and got the screen set on there. I got the ribbon cable bolted down. All the adhesive is on. I just got to pull it off, and then I'll go and pause the video and we set the screen down. Alright, so now we're just squishing the screen back down onto the glue. The camera, as you can see, is lined up. I'm going to power it on. And this adhesive I use, I don't actually know the brand of it. I think it's just some kind of 3M. But it works really good. It's really sticky on this kind. So as you can see, it's fully working. There we go. Our password. Everything seems to be working just fine. Just check my Wi-Fi. Yep, Wi-Fi is working just fine, so we didn't damage any of the antennas or anything. I said it was working just fine. I don't have any extra tabs. I keep thinking I have more tabs, but the only other problem with this phone is it doesn't read SIM cards. The SIM card reader is messed up, so you can't read the SIM card. So I just use it to record videos with. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.